What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to show you how to organize your images in Canva so you can just better keep track of them. So to give you quick context here, I am someone that uses Canva very heavily. I use it for Pinterest, I use it for creating thumbnails on YouTube, I use it for Facebook posts that I create, and I run an online business where I need to have imagery that I get from Canva, edit it if necessary, and do all those sorts of things. So I have a lot of images. If I go to my uploads area, there are going to be a ton of them, and a lot of them are going to be dealing with different subjects. Maybe some of them are going to be for my blog, some of them are going to be for Pinterest, some of them are going to be for whatever else, and I'm going to want to organize these over time so I can just keep better track of it. So for example, if I look at these images that are over here, these 6 images belong to, or rather they're relevant to, a blog post that I created on a place called Pictured Rocks. It's in Michigan. So when the uploads folder kind of just bunches everything in together, and so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to take images and just organize them into relevant folders so I can then go back to those folders and just, find them if necessary. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to take these 6 pictures that I uploaded and put them into a folder, for example, called Michigan Travel. And so what I do is I hover over one of the images and I click on this top left box over here where I check mark it. Now it becomes purple, and I do the same thing for these others. So that's 6 images that I just selected. Now I'm going to want to move these to a specific folder, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this move button that's down here, and when I do that, if you have the folder, you can actually type it up in here, it'll pop up and then you can save it there. But if you don't have a folder, you're going to want to click on all, click on your projects, and then click on this button that says create new. And here I'm just going to type in Michigan Travel, and then I'm going to click on move to new folder, and that it really is all that there is to it. Now once you move it to another folder, and you'll see that they're no longer there, now I'm going to want to try to well, if let's say I'm going back and I need to access that folder, what you do is you go to where it says projects, and then what's going to happen is if you click on folders in the middle tab here, it's actually going to show up right here where it says Michigan Travel. Now let's suppose, for example, that it basically shows up as the most recent, but let's suppose that you've created a bunch of different new folders and put new images in there, and this one was kind of pushed down and you don't really know where it is anymore. If you need to find it again, all you need to do is just go up here and type in Michigan Travel, click enter, and you'll see that it says one folder was found. You can see it by the icon here. If you click on folders, there it is. Now you can also, maybe you forgot the words to it, maybe it's just Michigan, you can type that in as well and it'll still pop up, as you can see right here, Michigan Travel. So that's it, that's how you do it. There are other organizational methods in Canva, but this is one of the most convenient ones in my experience to use, and give it a try, see how it works out for you. Now before I finish up this video, first of all, I hope that it was helpful. If you enjoyed it, like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, leave them below. But as a quick introduction and a way to finish this video is, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly, and I'm someone that makes money online through Pinterest, through Canva, through affiliate marketing, and I use Canva as one of my tools to do that. And I teach these things across the channel, so if you enjoyed, you're welcome to watch my other videos. But if you're someone that's also interested in perhaps creating an online business, like for example, I have a website here that's a main blog that I create Pinterest images for in Canva that I run traffic to across places like Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, and Google, and so forth. They come to this page, people, that is traffic, and I make money. And here's actually a 30-day report of one of the income reports that I have. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video to a free beginner case study that teaches this in detail and gives you an action plan to follow along and do something like this as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.